Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. Continuing with physical properties of lipids on my channel Foodscito, today I am going to discuss about a very important concept, that is melting point of fat. Let's begin. First of all, fats do not give a sharp melting point. Instead, they soften over a range of temperature. What could be the probable reasons? Number one, polymorphism, that is existence of fat in different crystalline forms. And the second one, fats consist of mixture of glycerides, each with its own characteristic melting point. In general, fats with relatively large amount of unsaturated fatty acids possess lower melting point and are oils at room temperature, whereas those with higher proportion of saturated fatty acids exhibit higher melting point. Now let's discuss some terminologies related to melting point. First is softening point. As you can see here that we have a capillary tube which is filled with solid fat. Now what will happen if you start heating this capillary tube? Fat will start rising, indicating its softening point, which is used to characterize some fats. Next is slipping point. Slipping point is related to two factors. Number one, composition of fat and the amount of water or air embedded in fat during its manufacturing process. Now the question arises, how can you measure that? As shown here, we have a brass cylinder which is filled with solid fat and is suspended in a water bath close to the thermometer. The temperature of the bath is slowly raised by stirring, and the temperature at which fat rises in the cylinder or slips is known as slip point. Third one is short melting point. As mentioned, it is the temperature at which a small lead shot will fall through a fat sample. So, what do we conclude from this session? For fat, melting point is defined by the specific conditions of the method by which it is determined. That's all regarding melting point. Stay tuned with Foodscito for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Thank you for listening.